More fireworks. See, more fireworks. Here they go.
Hey!
Boom! Headshot! Headshot!
Trevor, I think he's faster.
Yeah, take it right off.
I think he's faster than you.
You're gonna run over here.
It's a gun whip. It shoots whenever you whip. Look, I even attached my bracelet.
Look, it's weirdest. There you. Here goes another one, apparently. But you can't see it right now. You can see the little dot? Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. Boom! Headshot! He's smart. You can see the smoke! It's raining! It's raining crabs!
Get a little closer next time.
Here's one. Here comes another! It's a mortar! Boom! It's raining!
Hi guys!
Yeah! Bang! Here comes one! Mortar! Those are mortars. That was a fail! Oh, wow! Oh, great! Nice launch! Oh, wow! Oh, great! I feel totally safe right now! Mortars! This is a nice 4th of July. Wow, that's a lot of stuff on the ground. Well, we're shooting off another. That's spark over there. Okay. It's totally raining right now. Raining crowd.
Oh, the one out here. Where does it go?
They have miles over. One more. No. I think we're done. Well, goodbye, I guess. For the 4th of July fireworks! Woo! That was awesome.